Welcome back on board of the Hurlie Up. In the previous episodes we sailed all the way from the Netherlands to the Solent, and we are planning to sail around the entire English Channel on our 22-foot sailboat. Last time we sailed into Cowes under a calm sunset, and we stayed there for several days. Now it's time to start sailing again. It was only a short sail of a couple of hours towards Yarmouth, but the steep waves and strong headwinds made it a splashy one. Soon we arrived in Yarmouth, a small village on the west side of White. It's a nice harbour at the mouth of the River Jar. From the boulevards west of the harbour, you have a great view on the western entrance of the Solent. The days after we had strong winds and quite some rain, so we made several hikes over the western part of the island. The most iconic view in this area is of course the viewpoint to the Needles, but also the fields and the cliffs on the southwest coast are beautiful. Back on board, we got a little visit.
Nee, blijf alsjeblieft daar.
We took a lot of pictures of the hikes we did here, and we believe this is the most beautiful part of the island. After a couple of days, we had to say goodbye, as there were still a lot of miles ahead of us.
What?
We had a great sail with good winds through the Needles Channel, over the Dolphin Sands and towards Poole Harbour. We passed Brownsea Castle and motored our way up to the delta to Polkey Haven. We stayed there for only one night to do some groceries and have a look at Pip Hare's freshly overhauled boat Medallia. The delta of Poole Harbour looked lush and green, and we certainly plan on coming back here once more when we have some more time to explore it. It has been a great day of sailing and a calm passage of just over 7 hours. The next day we set sail again. It was a calm and sunny day, so we sailed out of Poole Harbour slow and comfortably. At open sea we hoisted our Jannaker and glided past the iconic Old Harry rocks. It's an honor to share my name with such a beautiful place. Halfway through this passage we had to drop our Jannaker as the wind was too much on the nose. We had to sail quite far offshore to avoid the military practice area of Blowboat firing range. After a lovely passage, we entered the harbour of Weymouth, a town just north of Portland. Its old fortress at the entrance sets a great scenery. We get to moor right in front of the harbour master's office. We walk towards the fortress and its surrounding North Gardens. The place is crowded by hundreds of tame squirrels. We stay in Weymouth for a couple of days. Despite the rain and the bad weather, we explore the surrounding nature of Dorset. Thanks again for watching this video. Join us next time for a magical sail with dolphins, big waves at the Portland Bill and a beautiful sunset over the mouth of the River Dart. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and watch our other videos as well.